Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I received this message how to show people how to write a letter in your computer, print it out to send, or send this letter to somebody via email. So writing a letter, print it out, okay, from as a physical letter, you send it through the post or you send it electronically. Okay, now to do this, we need to go to a computer search bar, type. So we need WordPad.